2023 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.